Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed exercise 6.5. Now today I will complete exercise 6.6. Actually, it is an optional exercise which is not for the examination point of view, but question number 3 and 4 are very important question, because question number 4 come in 2020 and 19 for 4 marks. So we will do it these two questions. Question number 3, in figure 6.58, ABC is a triangle in which angle ABC is more than 90 degree. This is ABC triangle. This angle is more than 90 degree. AD is perpendicular to CB produced. This is CB produced. This is the point D which is perpendicular to CB. To prove, you have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2 BD into BC, or BC into BD, that is same, no problem at all. BC into BD, you can write it. Now see the proof, very simple proof and very important proof. Taking an triangle ACD, angle ADC is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. This is the first equation. And triangle ABD, AB square, here is also angle ADB is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, or AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. Putting AD square, this one is equal to AB square minus BD square in equation 1. This is the equation 1. So AC square become AB square minus BD square plus DC square. DC is can be written as DB plus BC. DB plus BC. So AC square is equal to AB square minus BD square plus DB plus BC whole square. AB square minus BD square, A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, that means 2BD into BC. this BD square cancel. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BD into BC. Hence proved. Question number 4. It is also very important question, and it is same as question number 3. Given that a triangle ABC angle B is less than 90 degree, AD is perpendicular to BC, to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2 BC into BD. Same way we will do it this question. This is also very important question. In triangle ACD, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. In triangle ABD, angle ADB is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, or AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. Putting AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square in equation first. Same way, so therefore AC square is equal to AB square minus BD square plus DC square, and this DC is BC minus BD. This DC is BC minus BD. AB square minus BD square plus BC square plus BD square minus 2BC into BD. This BD square cancel it. So it is AB square plus BC square is minus 2BC into BD. Hence proved. See the question number 7, very simple question. Two chord AB and CD intersect each other at a point P. This is a circle. This is the two chord AB and CD intersect at a point P. Prove that triangle APC is similar to DPB. Now see the proof. In triangle APC and triangle DPB, angle A is equal to angle D, angle in same segment, which you have already done in class 9th in chapter circle. And angle APC is equal to angle DPB, vertical opposite angles. Therefore, triangle APC is similar to triangle DPB by AA property. When triangles are similar, their ratio is same. AP upon DP is equal to PC upon PB by CPST. Cross multiply AP into BP is equal to CP into DP. Hence proved. See question number 8. It is also same as question number 7. This is your cyclic quadrilateral. This side intersect at a point P. A, B, C, D are the two chords intersect at a point P. Prove that in the same way PAC is similar to PDB. Let's see the proof. In triangle APC and triangle DPB, angle P is common angle. Second, angle ACP is equal to angle B. Exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, triangle APC similar to, or you can write PAC similar to PDB by AA property. So, AP upon DP is equal to CP upon BP by CPST. Cross multiply AP into BP is equal to CP into DP. Hence proved. Thank you.